What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. As always, if you guys have not already, I'm gonna give you a second. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and the like button. All right, and today's video, Kirk and I are bringing something new to the channel for you guys, and I hope you like it. As you can see, we got some toys on the channel, so we're actually just pumping out the old fuel that's in here. New battery, but it wasn't fully charged, so we had to put the jumper cables on it off of my car. And Kirk's gonna go ahead and try and get some more bad fuel out. Boy still in his work uniform.
Some bullshit.
Fresh off of work, decided we're gonna work on them today. Spur of the moment, but it's been needed to get done. Summer's coming, so before they're sold, why not have some fun?
If we ever have a summer.
Yeah. Facts. Facts. I guess there's not one. That's very random. Usually there is.
There's a what?
A reserve. This has to be sprayed. This needs to be sprayed. So we're gonna have to spray this now.
No, nothing. Okay.
Yeah, I saw it tomorrow.
Oh shit, boy.
I didn't realize.
Hey, trailer.
More like jumper cables.
You right.
That's all I care about. Make sure they're not touching.
I caught that on camera. That's crazy. So there's no gas in there.
No, there's gas in there. I see it at the bottom of the tank.
Oh, maybe because it's tilted up.
That's true too. Yeah, see,
Fuck. Fat ass.
Oh, it's just like a sport.
Huh?
It's all of them.
Oops. Oh.
What?
Still nothing coming out?
I just had some come out. Give it a second. It's definitely getting down to the bottom of the woods. Just jiggle it back and forth. Yeah, stop.
Oh, okay. Noise.
One cable, Sadie.
Oh. Nice. Got that shit soaked, sprayed times. Yeah. Alright.
You guys mix that.
Huh?
What do you mix that
More? Hopefully that's enough fuel.
I just got something to feel to come out. So.
Okay. Dude.
A little better.
A little better.
It's cold. That's a good sign.
It's what?
It's cold.
Oh.
Understand why I said it's cold?
Like,
Most likely fresh. The fuel is cold that's on my hand.
yeah, it's like because when you get that icy, like, cool feeling. Los Angeles. Some water went sploosh. Okay. Let me start then. Yeah, that whole running though.
And it even idles.
Noise. Now we just gotta fix that steering problem and we're good.
Everything's good on this. This can go in the water.
Steering's good?
We can test. Technically, we can put this in the water. Everything works. Steering, go look.
I thought those were full. Oh shit.
Everything is working.
Alright, we out.
Everything's working.
Put a tire on this bitch and we out. Bruh. Perfect. Yeah, we thought we were gonna have to fucking fix this thing for real. It still needs an oil change though.
Yeah, we still gotta do an oil change, but guess what? What did we say we were gonna do? Once it was running, we would do the oil change. That's that.
So you trying to do the oil change right now? Might as well, right?
No, what we're really gonna do right now is find the hose connection.
Yeah,
and hook the hose up to it. No, we're gonna hook the hose up to it. I'm gonna let it run for a minute.
All right.
And then we'll go ahead and do that.
Sounds good to me.
Yo, she was smiling.
She was like, jet
she walked
ski?
out at like the perfect time.
Fresh. Clean startup, nothing wrong. Nothing.
Take them off.
Sounds like just when we started them, like fucking 4 years ago.
Yo!
Shit. I think it's because we had them, you know, tarped up for most of the time.
Yeah, no, that's why. It's because it was under a tarp
for most of its life, and then like the last year.
Yeah,
the last like fucking what, maybe 8-9 months I've been living. Yeah, we took the tarp off of this awning. So.
What? All right. Want to go grab the hose?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.